Hello guys again.
Unable to charge.
Okay.
Please turn on the power switch and charge.
Okay.
Unable to charge. Please turn on the power switch and charge. Unable to charge.
I hear
Please
you.
turn on the power switch and charge. Start charging.
Well guys, after 2 months I want to share with you my experience with this PREMBOT P3. And as am I starting this video, you can hear the vacuum. It says again and again, unable to charge. Please turn off the power switch and charge. Start charging. And that goes again and again and again. But as you can see, the power switch, it is on, but it says the same thing and again and again. And the battery at this moment is 78%. I don't know why it says again and again the same thing. I have tried reset this vacuum many times. I have used other app like the Tuya app. Now I'm using the Smart Life app, but the same thing. I don't see any firmware.
Unable to charge.
Okay.
Please turn on the power switch.
Let
and
me
charge.
speak, please.
Unable to charge. Please turn on the power switch and charge.
So rude.
Unable to charge. Please turn on the power switch and
Okay.
charge. Start charging.
Power switch, it is on, dearie. Just charge yourself. And it keeps saying again and again, as I said. I have searched for any firmware update about this vacuum, but the support is so low. Thumbs down for that. Low support. I didn't get any message for this problem. Well, and I have decided to make this video. Maybe someone who will watch this video and just tell me why it says again and again, repeat itself, unable to charge. And the frustrating thing is doing that when I'm sleeping 3 o'clock at the morning and I'm waking up from this sound. What is going on? And even other settings, it has this mute.
Unable to charge.
Okay.
Please turn on the power switch.
I have
and
already
charge.
mute you.
Unable
Don't
to
speak.
charge.
I have mute
Please
you.
turn on the power switch and charge.
And you can see
Unable
at
to
all
charge.
time this
Please turn
goes
on the power
orange
switch
and
and
then
charge.
turns off. I don't know why. Just flashing that is normal, means it's charging. And again, it is on 78%. It stacks on 78%. I think there is a problem with the battery. Maybe they can fix it with a firmware update. To stop saying all that, unable to charge and unable to charge, I have forced myself to just unplug the vacuum from the power, and then it will stop saying again and again, unable to charge. But then I will facing another problem. Eventually, when it goes to 100% charging, after it stops saying unable to charge, in some time it will go to 100% fully charged. Then it will start to say again unable to charge when it is in 100%. Then I need to unplug again, but the problem is not keeping the battery. After 24 hours, when I fully charge this vacuum, battery will drop on 20%. Why is not working? Why is consuming power? 20 to 24 hours and it will drop to 20%. Why to lose so much power? It's a waste of energy. Charging your vacuum, unplug it just to stop speaking, and then useless consuming energy, and goes again to 20%. And to use again this vacuum, I need to charge it from the start. Oh, this is so frustrating. Please make attention to your product, make a firmware update and fix this problem. Well guys, if anyone facing this problem, well, just leave down below to the description, the comments, share your thoughts, and maybe we can find a solution. Now let's talk about cleaning. I can say my honest opinion, I don't have any problem for cleaning my home. It's cleaning very well. If that is about dry cleaning or wet cleaning, definitely it can clean my home very well. The only problem that I've got when it's cleaning my home, it is the mopping. And I'm talking about mopping, let's say my bedroom or my living room, and then I can store this mop and just choose the mop and go only to my bedroom and clean to my bedroom. That is not an option in this vacuum. And when it's stuck somewhere in the cleaning process, it's just announcing the problem. Then if I'm going to press again the button, it starts vacuum from the start, is losing all the mopping and starts all the cleaning process from the start. That is a huge problem, and it has to do with the firmware and how the vacuum is working. Besides some of this problem, I can say this vacuum is cleaning good. But I'm sure at the market there are other brands that definitely with this price you can find out and just buy it and do your job better. And this is after 2 months of use. Well, let me show you how it looks. After 2 months, you can see the brushes are a little bit clumsy, but I don't care about that. You can buy a new one and just replace it. It's not that the problem. And of course we can check. And here you can replace, of course, and that. The frustrating thing on this vacuum is peaking and is not holding the charging. Why you're doing that? It's draining the battery less than 20 hours. Well, let's install it again. And I hope they will do a firmware update. And after fully charged, it repeats again and again every 30 minutes.
Unable to charge.
You can hear what?
Please turn
Can
on
you
the power
imagine
switch
you're sleeping and wakes you up at the
Unable
4
to
o'clock
charge.
at the morning?
Please turn on the
It
power
is so
switch and
frustrating.
charge.
Well guys, that was all about sharing my opinion after 2 months with this PREMBOT P3. Please subscribe, it is so fast. Press the subscribe button, it takes not more than 1 second. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.